Welcome to Beautyistic, where beauty meets insight. If you're on the hunt for a versatile and travel-friendly eye makeup set, the LORAC Holiday Collection Mystic Gaze set might just be the perfect fit. Today, we're diving into this set that promises a blend of quality and convenience in a compact on-the-go package. The set includes two essential products, the behind-the-scenes eye primer and the Mini Pro Palette Mystic Oak. Both are designed to offer smooth, long-lasting eye makeup with a touch of sophistication. Whether you're a makeup newbie or a seasoned pro, these products are crafted to simplify your beauty routine without sacrificing performance. First up, the behind-the-scenes eye primer is a lightweight, oil-free, and fragrance-free formula. It's designed to create a smooth canvas for eyeshadow application, helping to keep your makeup in place all day. What's great about this primer is how gentle it feels on the skin, making it ideal for sensitive eyes. The absence of fragrance is a bonus for those who want to avoid any potential irritation. As for the Mini Pro Palette Mystic Oak, this is where the magic happens. It features a range of earthy, warm tones with a mix of matte, shimmer, and satin finishes. The shades in this palette are not just visually stunning but versatile, making it easy to create a variety of looks. From soft, natural eye makeup to something more dramatic, you can experiment with multiple styles. Plus, it's both gluten-free and fragrance-free, which makes it a good option for those with sensitivities. When it comes to real-world testing, incorporating these products into my beauty routine was a breeze. The primer felt weightless and did an excellent job of smoothing out my eyelids. It truly created a seamless base for eyeshadow application, and my makeup stayed intact even after a busy day. The eyeshadow palette, with its rich pigmentation, was easy to blend, and I found myself using the shimmery shades for a subtle glow, or layering the matte shades for a more intense look. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, the behind-the-scenes eye primer is a standout. Its lightweight formula is perfect for daily use, and it works well with various eyeshadow formulations, providing an even base. The Mini Pro Palette Mystic Oak offers a fantastic range of colors that are both versatile and wearable for any occasion. Its compact size is also a bonus for travel, ensuring you can have your go-to eye essentials wherever you go. On the flip side, some might find the palette a bit limiting if you're looking for a more diverse selection of shades. While it's perfect for those who love warm tones, those who prefer cooler shades may not find it as appealing. The primer, though effective, doesn't offer any extra hydration, so those with drier eyelids might want to pair it with a more moisturizing base. In terms of value for money, this set is reasonable, given the high-quality products you're getting. The price feels justified, especially considering how much use you can get out of both items. If you're someone who travels often or likes to keep their makeup essentials in a compact form, the LORAC Mystic Gaze set provides great quality without being too bulky. When comparing it to other similar products, the LORAC Holiday Collection Mystic Gaze set stands out due to its travel-friendly design and the quality of the eyeshadow palette. While other brands may offer similar products, LORAC's gluten-free and fragrance-free formulas are a nice touch for sensitive skin, which makes it a great choice for people with those concerns. As for build quality, both products feel sturdy and well-made. The primer comes in a practical tube, and the palette is compact, with a secure clasp that ensures it won't bend unexpectedly in your bag. I've had no issues with the packaging, and I can see both products lasting for a while with regular use. The customer support from LORAC is known for being responsive, though I haven't had any direct interactions. However, the brand's reputation for customer service is solid, and I've seen many users praise their responsiveness in addressing concerns. If you're considering alternatives, there are other great eye primer and eyeshadow palettes out there, but none with quite the same combination of travel size, quality, and ingredient-conscious formulas. If you're looking for a similar set at a lower price point, I'd suggest looking into other mini eyeshadow palettes from brands like ELF or Maybelline, though the overall quality might not quite match LORAC's. To wrap things up, the LORAC Holiday Collection Mystic Gaze set is a solid choice for anyone seeking a versatile, high-quality, and travel-friendly eye makeup set. The primer works wonderfully to keep eyeshadow in place, and the eyeshadow palette offers beautiful shades that are perfect for everyday wear. If you're someone who loves warm-toned eyeshadows, this set could quickly become a staple in your makeup collection. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. Your experience might help someone else out. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.